In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money using TikTok with a simple method that most people don't even know about. Now there's a few people who are using this method and they're getting a ton of results. So let me go ahead and switch over to my computer screen to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so for this method, we're going to need to create a TikTok account and we're going to focus it around a certain niche. So this can be anything that you're interested in. It can be about weight loss, it can be about spirituality, it can be about investing money, it can be about bicycles. Now you might already have a TikTok account where you just post silly videos where you're doing trends, but we're going to want to create a TikTok account that's focusing in on a certain niche. So let me show you an example. So here's an example right here. It's called Dave's Weight Loss. And this guy, he just posts random tips to help you lose weight, foods to avoid if you're trying to lose weight, 5 amazing health benefits of certain type of foods, posting different health benefits of eating certain types of fruits and vegetables. So this is what his niche is about right here, just focusing in on weight loss. And here's another example called Manifestation 365. So this account right here, they just post about manifestation, law of attraction, spirituality. So this is what their TikTok account is focusing on as far as their niche. So step 2, we're going to want to find a Clickbank product. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a marketplace for affiliates to go and they can sign up and start promoting any products that are sold on Clickbank. If you don't have a Clickbank account, it's free to sign up. And then once you sign up, you can start looking at different products that you want to promote. So this is what Clickbank looks like. So like I mentioned, if you don't have an account already, you're just going to click on start here. And then you're going to create an account. You're going to fill out these questions right here. It's just simple questions. And then you're going to agree to their terms and conditions. And basically, once you do that, you're going to fill out the rest of the application. So I'm not going to bore you with too many of these details. You can just fill this out on your own. So once you create an account with Clickbank, you're going to click on Marketplace right here on the top of the page. And it should bring you to this page right here where it's going to show you all the different categories that they have available. So as you can see, they have art and entertainment, they have business investing, they have e-business, employment, green products, health and fitness. They got a ton of different categories that you can choose from. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to just click on health and fitness. Now you're going to see a bunch of different products that you can promote as an affiliate that are related to health and fitness. But what we want to do is we want to sort results by gravity. So all you have to do is just come and click on this drop down menu and click on gravity. So what gravity means is how well this product is being sold. So the higher the number, the more likely this product is to sell, because a lot of other people are having success with this product, selling it as an affiliate. With gravity, anything above 50 is pretty good to promote. Now, as you can see, this one has a gravity of 1,113, which is ridiculously high. So something like that would be a good offer to promote. Java Burn, that's also a pretty good product too. This is like a weight loss coffee, I think. This one has a gravity of 443. So what we would do is we would just look at products that would be high in gravity and also products that would be related to the niche. So if we're looking at health and fitness, our niche would be obviously health and fitness. So we would find a product to promote under this category. So if I click on this one, for example, XE it's going to bring me to the sales page where I can buy this product. So if we want to direct people to this product, this is the page that they're going to be directed to. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, they have different price points. So as an affiliate, the average dollar per conversion is $149. So what that means is that every time somebody buys this product, you would earn an average of $149. Because as you can see, they have different price points and they offer discounts if somebody buys in bulk. Now, one thing that you're going to want to do when promoting a product from Clickbank is to click on the affiliate page, and almost every offer it has an affiliate page. So this is just like resources for affiliates, questions that they might be having, and also marketing resources or marketing materials. So this is just basic information on how much you would be earning as an affiliate, how much you would be earning per click if you're running paid ads, and basically how well this product is converting. They even have email swipes that you can use for people who are interested in doing email follow-up with people who are interested in this product. They also have product images that you can use. So in order to promote this product as an affiliate, all you would have to do is click on the promote button right here. And then you're gonna see another window pop up, and then you're gonna click on generate hop links. So this is gonna be our affiliate link right here. So this is something that you're gonna wanna save. You can save it in your notes on your desktop. And basically, whenever somebody clicks on this link, it's gonna take them to the sales page of the product. And if they buy that product through our affiliate link, then we would get credit for the sale. So the next step would be to create content around the niche that we're focusing on. So for the example of this video, since we picked a product related to health and fitness, that would be our niche that we're gonna create content about. So here's another example of a TikTok account called Center for New Medicine. So it's basically about doctors who give you health tips to help you restore your health. So you don't have to be a doctor in order to share some health tips, but you do have to be knowledgeable in what your niche is about if you want to look like an authority figure to people who are going to be watching your content. So going back to this account right here, Dave's Weight Loss, he clearly has a disclaimer that says not medical advice. So people who are watching his videos, they know that he's just giving a disclaimer that he's not a medical professional. He's just sharing some weight loss tips and health benefits that you can get from eating certain types of foods. So once you start creating content that's focusing on the niche that you're in, you're going to want to add your link in your profile and direct people to that link. Now, just to give you a disclaimer, if you have a creator account or a personal account on TikTok, you can't post a link in your profile unless you have 1,000 followers. But you can do it if you have a business account, regardless of how many followers that you have. But when you create a business account, you're limited to the trending sounds that you can use on TikTok. So I wanted to show you this account right here called Manifestation 365, and they have over 300,000 followers. And they're not showing their face in any of their videos. So they're growing their following on TikTok and making money without showing their face at all. So I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, but I just want to first mention, if you're getting value from this video so far, if you're enjoying it, then I invite you to like this video, and also I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning different ways to make money online. Okay, so how do we find videos that we can post without even showing our face on TikTok? So these are just simple stock footage videos that you can find on different websites, but I'm going to show you a free and easy website that you can get these types of videos from. So as you can see, they're just videos of the universe, galaxy, cars, people, nature. So if I go to this website right here called pexels.com, you can just find a bunch of different free videos and images that you can use. So what we're going to want to do is click on videos right here. So that's going to be our category, because obviously TikTok, it works better if you post videos instead of pictures. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for a video that's related to fitness. So I would just type in fitness, and then once I do that, I'm going to see a bunch of different results coming up. But for TikTok, we're going to want to have our videos in a certain format. So we're going to click on filters right here, and then we're going to click on all orientations, and we're going to click on vertical, because TikTok is a vertical platform, because most people use TikTok with their phone. So now all of the videos are in the right format, and if we want to use any of these videos, we can just simply click on them, and we can also download them for free. So you can check out the type of video that you're interested in downloading. So this one is just a woman just doing some simple exercises, and we click on free download, and it just downloads to our computer. But you can do this with your phone as well. You just go to the website and just do the same thing. Just search for any type of video content that you're looking for and click on download, and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. So instead of putting a direct affiliate link in the link in your profile on TikTok, I would recommend capturing people's emails so you can follow up with them through a series of emails if they go to the sales page of the product that you're promoting and they don't end up buying it. And you can use a software where you can build out a landing page and capture people's email. I would recommend going with GetResponse, because that's something that I personally use, and it's pretty simple to create landing pages. I'll leave a link in the description for a 30-day free trial if you're interested in checking it out. So this is a simple and easy way for beginners to start making money online. But if you want to learn how you can start earning a full-time income online, then check out the first link directly below this video, where my mentor shows you exactly how to do that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I mentioned earlier, if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.